Hi, my name's David Reitz. I'm in charge of Matelex's U.S. partnerships and business development, and I'm back with the second video on leak detection. If you haven't seen the first video goes over technical definitions of leak detection, which is used for compliance by the U.S. government and provides difference between direct and indirect detection definitions. This is focused on the common leak detection and how it is used in practice and the different technologies available. So let's jump right in. There's 4 different technologies on this chart. There's temperature sensors, manual detection, direct detection, and indirect detection. Typically kind of moving left to right from temperatures to indirect detection. The technology is newer, and I'm not here to advocate for one or the other, but just kind of go over some of the differences. On the right-hand side, you can see direct and indirect are ALD, or automatic leak detection, because those are what can qualify as automatic leak detection under the government regulations and standards. But I would say not all direct detection, not all indirect detection meets those standards. So you have to really know the standards. So just to go over the different ones, we have temperature sensors. And a lot of times I get questions on this. Temperature sensors, they're not a leak detection per se, but they're commonly how people find leaks. They're a problem detection. When the temperature sensors in a case or a refrigerant system do not keep the right temperature, the set temperature indicates a problem. And that could be a clogged pipe, it could be a myriad of things. But sometimes this is used when they check to determine that there has been a leak and they need to fix a leak in the system. Second, we have manual detection. This is a handheld device to go and check and look for precising the location. And this is best used to really find where precise the leak is so it can be fixed. And there's nothing else on this chart can do that. And then third, we have the direct ALD. These are the sniffer technologies. They're looking for parts per million in the air. These are very, very good for safety, simple setups, large storage facilities that are cold storage it's a good example. And then finally we get to indirect detection, which utilizes IoT. It looks at the entire system and looks at leaks for the entire system. This is the best use for finding leaks in very complex systems like supermarkets or other very big commercial installations that have a lot of piping. A lot of these can be used together. So a lot of time you have temperature sensors as kind of the backstop and to make sure that everything's functioning the way it should be. You have manual to find the leaks. You have direct detection that can find safety issues, and then you have indirect detection, which is the most sensitive to look at the entire system. So they're very complementary. You can read through the chart, and then if you have questions on how to apply it for your facility or problems that you're working through, please reach out to us. And then finally, we're going to have a third video come out here soon on all different types of technologies, including leak detection, if you're looking to decarbonize and you have goals to do that. Thank you for your time today, and please reach out if you have any questions. Take care.